So we decided to come here for having a coffee. Nice. Let's find a seat. Dzień dobry, kochani.
Dzień dobry.
Oh, cappuccino.
Tak, nice. And Corona Zero, by the way.
Corona?
Zero.
Oh, zero.
With
Okay.
syrup.
Let's see how you mix it.
We not make a sponsored video.
Nice. Wow. Look like a juice you made,
Yeah.
huh?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
hope it will not split outside. It will little bit.
Dzień dobry. Good
Dzień
morning,
dobry.
everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today we are in Iława, the city of lake. In the morning, already busy with people.
And lake is
right?
there, actually.
And look at this. This is the lake. Nice.
Nice, isn't it?
And in the middle is the fountain. And as usual, there is a small boat there. People walking, people kayaking, enjoying their time. It is so peaceful and enjoyable. Cappuccino time, kochani.
Tak, cappuccino time.
We are curious about the name of the restaurant, Taverna Kaper. Here, this is the menu actually. So yeah, it's very nice. And this one in the tourist city. Tak, kochani?
Tak.
Close by Mama home in Iława.
Tak. I was
More
going
and
to
more
school
people.
here actually for 4 years.
Oh yes, you were school here, right?
All of the things are from here actually.
Wait,
Most.
you were born, live and grow up surrounded with a beautiful nature.
Thank you, Saya. You too actually. But
But my nature in Bali is already destroyed. Changed into concrete jungle. But look at this. Nice. So peaceful.
actually, how do you feel, Saya? Because you're
Cheers.
filming me only mostly.
What
Enjoying
you
the
can ask more?
enjoying the coffee with the nice environment.
Nice.
More people coming in and out, and the lake like this one. Actually, you have a small town, but it's very enjoyable, isn't it?
Tak. And then what I can say then, even there are many tourists here, but the tourists are different. It's not overcrowded, right? Like
That's
in
the
Gdansk
thing.
or Sopot last time. Here it's just like totally enjoyable, refreshing. Cheers.
Smacznego, na zdrowie.
Dziękuję.
Coffee actually here is nice. Actually, coffee is strong here. Huh?
Tak.
Technically better than our favorite soda, though.
With a
Another,
nice view.
another opportunity to come to Iława.
Tak, tak.
Nice. The view is nice, actually. Next time we come here in September again.
Oh, look at that one. That's actually the train over there, and there are so many lake resort, and that's over there is also another restaurant, and people coming, you see, with a taxi like that, motorboat taxi, and so many nice things. That's the Galeria Yeshorak, which means the mall overviewing the lake. How peaceful it is. Nice. Right, so that was a very nice coffee shop overviewing the lake. Now I'm gonna take you to stroll around the place. You see there are so many nice restaurants here with the garden view like this.
Yeah, this one is new actually.
Yes, and I think that's busy. Oh, this is
Also
coffee
nice.
shop and the ice cream shop, kochani.
Well, yeah,
Nice.
nice.
And look at this one. What sort of the drive is this?
Yeah, it's nice, like a bicycle. 15 zł per hour, Aja.
Ah, that's so cute. Look at this.
Tak. Next time we can rent and drive around the lake. You know, as you can drive all around the lake actually here.
Tak.
And you can hire the boat also.
Honey, do you need to have a license to drive a boat?
No, for this one, no. That's why, that's the thing. He explained to them, as you don't need to have a license.
Nice. Look, there is another restaurant also here, you see?
Nice.
Wow, and overviewing the lake as well.
Nice.
And look how clean is the lake. Nice.
That's the thing.
Wow.
Enjoying, Sang?
Tak, tak. You know, this is what I really like about Poland. Yesterday, we went to the ocean, Baltic Sea. Now we are in the city of the lake, and the fresh, crisp air like this, amazing. Look how many people are queuing into the boat.
But again,
Would you like to go?
No,
I know that you are not really a big
I'm not
fan.
into this kind of stuff.
Oh,
But a lot of people queuing at the front of the Galeria Jeziorek. Beautiful weather. Actually quite busy. During the winter it's not like that, huh? Here in Iława. And the birdies.
Ooh, nice.
So nice, isn't it? Okay, let's go to the park now, Sayang.
Nice. Let's go. We'll run.
Sayang, you're gonna scare the bird. Sayang, they are not afraid of you.
Ooh. Look, that's the ducks.
The one,
Oh, the
you didn't
bird.
see this one.
No, they didn't run. Look.
They don't run, Sayang.
Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look
Nice.
at this.
Nice, isn't it?
So nice. Kochanie, you must be thinking about buying ice cream.
You want
no?
ice cream now after Kopay? We can have
I
it, why
don't know.
not?
Look, so busy.
So busy, lah.
Dark,
Nice, isn't it?
nice. Oh, what is this actually? Look, the birds are not afraid of human. No? Oh, nice. That's the concert over there, I think. Oh, many kind of birds. Nice, so many people are here. Beautiful. Honey, there are so many ice cream shop, no?
Yeah, let's have ice cream. Yeah?
Uh-huh. Look. Oh, behind here is the concert, I guess. Ooh. Nice.
That's the zapiekanka shop.
14 zloty.
Yeah,
I'll show you the price. Here is the tourist
and
place.
it's very long one. It's very big actually.
Oh,
The tourist place, but it's actually so cheap to compare to Poznań or Gdańsk.
I know. I know. Another ice cream shop. That's also, I think that's the ole-ole shop, souvenir, and this one. Nice. Nice. Well, actually now we are in the park behind the mall. That's the mall and that's the lake basically, and there are so many restaurants here. What I can see then is not as crowded, but I think this is more enjoyable and peaceful. As usual, in the middle must be the fountain.
Yeah, the fountain must be.
Nice.
And if you are here already, let's have a to the street, show you a little bit on the street of the Iława.
Nice.
Nice fountain, isn't it?
Ah, very nice.
Okay. Sayang, that's the streets of Iława. Do you prefer busy Gdańsk and Sopot or like this one?
I don't know, maybe because we used to be surrounded with a lots of tourists.
Like in Bali?
I prefer to visit the place is less quiet, like this, more enjoyable. So I feel like, I know, like more into the nature and something like that. Not really like, you know, going surrounded by the busy of the tourists and something like that. This one is more enjoyable. For me, I prefer this. How about you, Kohanye?
Yeah, of course. That's my hometown side. So what I can say, I cannot say even different.
You see,
But
there is no
actually, I
traffic
like
jam.
it.
Look.
Small.
Even me, I'm not that really skillful driver. Probably I just could drive the car here peacefully.
Now for sure, look how busy the streets are normally.
Kohanye, look at this water.
Doesn't work.
Can
Oh
we
my
drink?
God, actually work. You could probably, but don't drink.
Oh, this one the old one, no?
I don't know, it's actually made work for drinking, but for cleaning hands for sure.
To wash my feet.
Okay. Oh,
Nice.
that's the traffic congestion, sayang.
No, there is no
Traffic.
traffic.
Traffic congestion, babe.
Let's go, Kohanye. Kohanye, Sobach, look at this. This Iława is from 715 years. Look, this is
Right.
the history.
That's how we're looking at.
The building known as the Red School.
Oh, it's in English even.
Tak.
Red School is this one with the front.
This one 715 years and still exists until now.
Yeah, the kids going to school to this one. Next month they start again. Lah. It's summer holiday now. But they have also translation in 4 languages. The school like this one and the square like this one. Nice.
Kohanya, that's your favorite tree, huh?
Tak, I like white tree. I should hug them like in Bali lah. People hugging trees in Ubud, so I should try in Iława lah.
And that's actually the general view, the fountain, and that's complex of the restaurant, that's the roundabout, that's the city, that's the school. This is the mall. So nice. Okay, that was the restaurant where we were, and here behind is many beautiful apartment rental, I think, for the holiday.
Tak. Maybe for holiday, maybe some people living there as a general basis. Alright. And that was the Sova where we used to go usually. But this one is actually nice where we are today actually.
Yes. And look how many people are coming here.
Tak.
But it's more cozier. We decided to take you stroll around by the car. Okay, Kohanya stop.
Tak. With baby,
so
with
many
the trolley.
families also here.
Tak, it's very enjoyable for family city.
And the public transportation also available. Look at this bus station. On the left, on the right. That's in front is the Kaminica. And here is the roundabout. So, yes. I take you to have a
This is actually
driving
where we were actually
Yes,
standing and filming a little bit.
Yes.
The whole point is that we want to show you a little bit of the central part of Iława, which is the city hall. Which actually city hall in Iława is pretty nice for the small town. It's pink. Not sure why it's painted for pink, but I think it was genuinely pink when it was built. And it's also very old, and it's actually really nice. So it's difficult little bit to film.
Yes.
But it's nice. And now we are showing you actually just behind the roundabout there will be newer part of Iława city, which is technically developing just in the past few years. So when I was not living almost 8 years in Poland, I didn't visited Poland for 8 years because I'm not living for almost 15 actually. I mean now I just come back in December. So all of those buildings here, they are brand new buildings with the really nice apartments, with the really nice balconies and modern apartments. Many of them they are lakefront, actually front of the lake, and they are really nice. I'm gonna tell you, they are not cheap. Even in small city, they are not cheap, but they are overlooking directly the marina. So it's actually pretty cool, I'm gonna tell you.
It looks like a resort, Kohani.
Yeah, it looks like a resort, but it's not. The hotel is actually, here is the one of the hotels, and it's pretty busy actually during the summer holiday, I'm gonna tell you. But previously they were just private apartments, which was cool. And we are crossing the little bridge. This is actually the Jeziorak, which is the longest lake in Poland actually. It's not the biggest, but it's the longest, because starting in Iława and finishing like in the other city 30 kilometers from here. So it's pretty cool.
Wow.
Pretty cool
here,
place.
Yes, I can see that many people are coming from Warsaw even, and next to it, oh, we were there,
Tak. We try to pull over somewhere and have a little bit of walk to show you around. At the front of us is the swimming pool actually.
Nice.
Or sport recreation center.
I see.
Yeah, that's how does it work. Like
We're
here.
gonna find a car park, right?
Tak, correct.
Nice. Look at the blue sky. Pływanie?
Yeah, just
Means swimming pool, tak?
yeah, like a place for swimming, public one.
Oh, look at this. Nice. Okay. Kohani, what
Tak.
a huge lake.
Ah, it's just
This
the
is-
beginning of the lake actually. So.
This is your hometown. You
It is
really
my
live surrounded by nature. Hodge.
Ah.
Kohani, look. There are so many boat, catamaran, or whatever it is called. Yeah, look. Go there, go there.
Tak, everywhere.
And the most importantly, it's very clean and peaceful. You see, that's the hotel, apartment now. It's
Tak.
nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Yes.
And you have a nice wind in your hair.
Nice, let's go there.
Okay, let's go little.
Look, kochanie, I think that was the old wooden bridge, no?
Tak, long time ago was operating. I think I still remember how I used to cross this bridge.
And
But,
then look at this one.
This is the modern bridge.
And then look at on the right also. So this lake is connecting from that, the
The
one.
beginning of the lake is there and finishing into that direction in the woods in the different city, like 30 kilometers from here.
Nice.
Like it's very, very long actually.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let's walk next to marina. Maybe they will let us in next to the hotel. Huh?
Let's go there. Nice.
Oh, nice actually, isn't it?
Oh.
People for holidaying. She was making also video picture from the car, but with the big SLR camera.
Nice, nice.
Nice. People asking, Sayang, so far you happy living in Poland? Lah?
Of course I'm happy. I'm really surrounded by nature. You know, Damian's hometown is actually like this. And we live in Poznań. The city is not overcrowded like Gdansk or any other big cities, big tourist cities. So it's nice basically.
So technically, in short, you enjoy.
Very, very enjoying.
So cool. Nice marina actually. Some people have some decent boats here, Sayang.
Oh wow.
When you gonna organize the boat for Damus?
No, maybe Prof. Rafi from Malaysia.
Well,
He can travel with his boat here.
Yeah. Some of them, they are really decent. Lah. Actually, even if I have so much money, I don't want to have a boat because, you know, I don't really like the boat.
No, you just a water phobia.
Yeah, having Ferrari is okay. Lah.
Hey, look, everywhere you go, boat, catamaran, look, they have a jet ski even. Look, you
Right.
stay somewhere, that's one. Oh, that's the Port Iława, you see?
Tak.
Ah.
That's the Port Iława, that's this one, that's the apartments in the background, that's the little hotel.
Yeah, if you just want to have a breakfast, you just go by your jet ski. Sultan life.
Sultan life.
Nice.
Somehow like this. Very nice, isn't it?
Look how they are kayaking. They have a sailboat.
Right.
Nice.
Very nice indeed.
Wow, look at this.
I think we can walk a little bit through the restaurant there, and going
Let's
a little
walk
bit there. Yeah, actually through the apartment buildings. And actually behind the apartments there is the TV hotel, the 5-star hotel here in
Oh,
Iława.
look at this. You see?
Yeah, some people coming on the boats and stuff. Very nice, enjoyable life.
Look
And they're
at
gonna
this.
cruise soon. Cool, huh? During summer a lot of is going on in the small lakes like this one actually.
Nice.
Let's go.
So we decided to walk around and showing you this is the restaurant actually by the lake. It's nice. And they have a children playground. And I think this one is the hotel, the port. Very nice. Very nice place to chill, kochanie.
Tak, very nice, isn't it?
Ah. Oh, look at this one. The boat, the sailing boat. Nice. So basically, this is how it looks. Oh, so many nice boat. Green thingy. Kochanie, where we are going?
Yeah, we are cruising around actually, what I'm gonna tell you. Actually, those new apartments, what I told you, some people living there, there are some private people living there, somebody bought them for themselves who are living in Iława, some of them for the rental, like a holiday rental, some of them they bought this for the like renting and making money, like normal stuff. But they are nice actually, because they are with the very big balconies and with the very nice view actually, and on the penthouses on the top floor with the, well, 180 degree actually, the kind of view. Really nice.
Wow, look at this apartment. It's so nice, huh?
Yeah, nice. They are about 8,000 per square meter. While in Poznań, the apartments like this for about 10,000. So
Yes.
they are cheaper still here and with better view. However, the business opportunities in Iława, they are lesser, you know. Maybe during the summer like this one, you can do something in the tourist industry. You could do your massage actually.
Right. I
But during the winter, it's not much industry here, you know. So, but it's beautiful place to live actually. Maybe for retirement, huh? If you don't want to back to Asia.
Oh, so many people from Warsaw actually
Yeah.
coming here. Nice. So we are going to that port. Look, so many rich Polish people are here. So many nice car here. Nice, nice, and nice. Kochani. Wow, it's very nice, enjoyable walk. Actually, escaping from the hustle and bustle, your 9 to 5 work, yes, kochani, and
8 to
visiting
4,
family.
8 to 4.
Okay. But remember, you still driving Uber
Tak, that's the thing.
sometimes.
There is
even-
no Uber in Iława, by the way, so if you ask.
Yeah, so why actually Damian don't only focus on your job as project manager, because my husband hobby is driving a car.
It's just, I just like it. That's why I'm going to mountains. Next week I go to the sea. Who knows when we're gonna go next weekend, right? You never know.
Maybe like we go somewhere abroad, go to Sweden or go to
I
Norway
don't know,
by
it may
car.
happen. It may happen, especially if I have a good mood for a weekend. and
He can drive 24/7.
all right.
Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys. It's time to go home and we will have a lunch with Mama and Papa.
Tak.
Thanks for watching and see you next
See
time.
ya.
Bye.
Take care.